If it were you, would you spend a fortune to restore an old car that grew with you? The owner truly loves this Toyota that's been with him for years. This time, we fully restore both exterior and interior. The body is badly damaged and plastic parts are worn and cracked. Watch us strip and rebuild the car, bringing it back to its glory 30 years ago. We begin with disassembly. No wonder the soundproofing was poor. It was just coated plastic. Even the original screws are badly rusted. They're rusted this badly. The bumper will need replacing too. Next, we remove the interior. Over 30 years ago, it already had advanced design. The old soundproofing has aged and lost its effect. We replace it with new material. The car is now fully stripped. It looks terrible inside. First, we clean the wiring. Every corner is washed. After drying, we wrap the wires to keep dust out. Next, the body gets a full wash. Then it goes to the body shop for structural repairs. Before that, let's check its real condition. The right side skirt is rusted through, and the inner wheel panel is badly corroded. Rust holes are everywhere on the body. We clean the area and prepare for repairs. First, we measure the damaged sections, then choose sheet metal of the right thickness and cut it. Next, we bend the panels. We hammer and adjust them repeatedly to get the correct shape. Because the repairs are extensive, several technicians work together. Back to the front. We install the repaired panels. We cut openings matching the original wheel positions. The panels are trimmed to the car's original size. After primer, the panels are welded in place. The welds are ground smooth to finish the repair. Meanwhile, another technician repairs the side skirts. Old metal around the repair area is removed. To avoid weak weld joints, newly made panels are then welded onto the body. Because the side skirts are multi-layered, an outer layer is welded afterward. Finally, the original parts are reinstalled, and the body repair is complete. Next, we remove the suspension, axles, and chassis components. The chassis parts are sandblasted and repainted for protection. A fresh underbody coating is applied for rust protection and sound insulation. The car is then moved to the paint booth to sand away scratches and cracks. Sanding the primer is crucial for the final paint finish. After that, we spray the color coat and apply a clear protective layer. Plastic parts like the bumper are also repainted and protected. Finally, we begin reassembly. Exterior parts are installed first. The restored interior is now ready to be reinstalled. After installing all components, we can see the final result. We are craftsmen dedicated to restoring classic cars. If you enjoy restoration, follow us for more rebuild videos.